This is it! Our Retouching series is finally done. Today, I'm proud to announce the release of Retouching 301. Working together through these retouching courses has been so fun. In 101, we learn the foundations of retouching, including the amazing art of dodging and burning. Then in 201, we learned even more great skills, like how to remove distractions from backgrounds. Well, today, get ready for the cherry on top, Retouching 301. In this course, you'll learn all the final skills you need to complete your retouching training. I'll show you how to beautifully color correct your images. You have a weird color cast on your image? No problem. The skin is looking a bit faded? Not anymore. Color correction can be tricky at first, but in this course, we'll tackle so many examples that you'll know exactly what to do to fix your images. Then we'll learn about all of the small details in an image, the kind of details that separate a good image from a professional photo. I'll show you how to clean up makeup and make it look flawless. Then we'll learn how to fix clothing to make it look silky smooth and wrinkle-free. And finally, we'll learn about hair and how to make it look its very best. And like all of our other courses, we'll finish off this course with some amazing start-to-finish projects. This is the perfect way to solidify everything you've learned so that you can feel confident as you take your new skills and apply them to your own photos. Once you've finished off this retouching series, you won't believe how much you've learned. Sign up below and we'll get started with Retouching 301.